Agatika.
Hi.
Are you part of ARC?
Oh, yes, I am. What do you know about ARC?
Well, I've heard that it's a fun committee. Why don't you introduce me to the team?
For sure. Come on.
First of all, we have Arijit, with walls full of Led Zeppelin, Green Day, and AC/DC posters, and a mind preoccupied about which new thing to joke about next. A music fanatic and a backbencher at heart. The only thing he's shy of is repeating his jokes to the professor, which got the class rolling. जितना ही शांत समझ आ रहा हो, UFC watch parties में सारी औरा चली जाती है. Somehow, this kid has cracked the code to partying hard yet staying fit. Dependability के साथ unpredictability का एक अनोखा combination. Arijit.
This is Divyanshu, a nerd in deep denial. You'd catch him either ranting about something that happened a million years ago and how we could have done it differently, or arguing about two equally unhealthy options for dinner. As someone who thinks every distance is walking distance, you'd usually find him taking snaps of random graffitis on walls, swearing there's some deep aesthetic meaning to the scribbles. Overdramatic in all the ways that really matter, Divyanshu is the perfect mix of chaos and charm, always keeping you guessing whether he's about to drop you an existential question or an impromptu dinner plan.
आइए अब आपको मिलवाते हैं सौम्या से. इनका इरादा तो है अपने छोटे छोटे कदमों से दुनिया नापना, लेकिन ब्लिंकिट और जेप्टो का आधा बिजनेस इन्हीं के भरोसे चल रहा है. चाहे पार्टी मूड हो या एग्जाम का स्ट्रेस, you will find her celebrating all occasions window shopping at DMart. Rumor has it that besides English, Hindi and French, she can converse with her furry friends so well that even Sherlock Holmes might hire her to interrogate Baskerville's hound, though parcel tongue isn't part of her repertoire. With a perfect blend of cuteness, kindness and aggression, she is the Pikachu of our Pokemon gang.
Next covering the lens is स्वागत करने वाली स्वागतिका. You can find her doing one of these only. या तो सो रही है या तो हंस रही है. लोग स्टेज पर ऑकवर्ड होते हैं और ये फुल टाइम ऑकवर्ड गर्ल बस स्टेज पर ही कॉन्फिडेंट होती है. क्लमज़ीनेस की पीक पर she somersaults and loves writing and speaking, sometimes a lot. With the energy of Dobby from Harry Potter, she's the most active at 3 in the night and आँखें खुली कम बंद ज़्यादा in the morning. Rumors are true. Her good vibes are actually highly contagious.
And now meet Kalpita, the Inner Peace Manifesto. A perfect blend of Angel's anxiety and Monica's perfection. This girl has the calmness of Master Shifu and nervousness of Kung Fu Panda. Mending the life one step at a time, she seeks pleasure in quiet moments, in the seemingly small things, in rusty pages, and in nature's warm embrace. Willing through life's wild and crazy ride.
This is Sonia. Lectures की हो ना हो, इनकी नगोरी के अटेंडेंस होना. As someone who has never heard of the word no ever, Sonia will never back down from a new experience, challenge or an invitation to skip class. इनकी ज़बान पर आज तक कभी फिल्टर लगा ही नहीं. A ball of pure unbridled energy, you'll watch her manage people, professors and events very skillfully, handling everything except herself. Sonia fills a niche. जरूरी चीजों में हमेशा लेजर फोकस्ड और बाकियों में देखा जाएगा.
हे दिव्यांशु, कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
एआरसी की मीटिंग है.
भाई कितनी मीटिंग होती है तुम्हारी? करते ही आओ तुम लोग.
कमाई करो. Guys, everybody wants to know what the ARC does. Let's show them.
We make sure that the right information reaches the right person at the right time.
We tell inspiring stories of our pathway through redefining formula.
We help aspirants become achievers by guiding them throughout the interview process.
Streamlining onboarding, admin handling, and induction for Perichai.
So the ARC is the official public relations and branding committee of this HRM and MR.
भाई मैंने तो सुना था ARC इज द फन कमिटी.
चल तुझे वो भी दिखाता हूँ.